Please, I need an advice. Oh, please, I need an advice. Hmm. My 15 years of relationship want to spoil. Please, I need an advice. My girlfriend tell me say let us spice this thing up. Let us spice our relationship up. Na this thing na small thing. He tell me say her friends tell her say head dey sweet. Head dey sweet oh. He talk say head dey sweet. I talk say I no sabi give head. I no dey give head. I'm a born again Christian and I'm also a choosy. Osemo no. Osemo mba. That if I want this relationship to work, I have to give her head. Because of people wey no sabi wetin be here, like it's a fere. Please, I need an advice. I'm a born again Christian. I no sabi wash plate. Should I wash the plate or should I break up with my girlfriend? This is 15 years of relationship. Please, I need an advice.